No.
Okay, let me put my stuff down here. Probably will redo that.
Yeah, we do
today.
everything. So anyway, I'll give you the file.
Nice clean ears. You can tell she's been staying with a veterinarian. It's okay. Oh, you're such a pretty girl.
Ah.
More than I am, maybe. She's used to this. I'm not.
Yeah, I know.
You're going to film me doing a physical exam? She was, as you know, in the accident about 10 months ago and has been on antibiotics since then. And I will have Dr. Lynn tell you which antibiotics, but she's been switched between two. Initially, after the accident, she disappeared. Is it cephalexin? Is that
No,
what?
no, cefuroxime. The
I'll have you.
Got it. Got it. Yeah. So that fourth premolar there on the left side is definitely ready to come out on its own. pretty
yes,
much. And in order to get
and that's why she's on wet diet because we're worried about that one. And even when we're using wet diet, scoop it out.
yeah.
I think in that research they've done with slow motion video on how cats drink water. That looks okay. We can do that.
Can we mix it?
You can mix it if you want.
Okay, we'll try to mix because she's
Might make it easier. For
yeah
you.
easier for her.
I can hold that we're coming for just cysto.
Yeah,
Ultrasound
for-
guided cysto.
You can,